Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this curved text effect on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to add like a text that said orange slice here, or just orange I guess. I'm just going to type in orange and then I'll type the slice later. And I'm going to also select another font, like this one for instance, and I'm also going to change the color of the I think I'm just going to use this color instead so you can see it a bit better, like that. Then I'm going to scroll down to curve it. You're going to scroll down until you find the curve option, and I'm just going to adjust it so it curves around the orange. If you want it to curve a little bit more, just go to here and select character and add in like a few like steps between. And then for the slice, copy and paste that, and then I'm just going to type in the word slice. And then I'm going to have it curve inwards, so I'm just going to do the same, but like the opposite direction, kind of. And again, I think I'm going to add space between the characters, like so. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Let me just change these around because I feel like doing that. Like that. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.